What a nice day today. What a nice day. What a nice day. Grandma! Grandma! Yo, Grandma, I think my balls dropped. I don't know how to, Grandma! Grandma, I'm sorry! Grandma, you got any cough tablets? Oh! Cough medicine! Man, Grandma, I had too much cough syrup, man. Grandma, what is you looking at? Alright, Grandma, take a seat. My balls dropped, and my meat got bit. That is so foul. Now I'm a man. I can finally drive a car. I broke the door, and I'm sick of this. I'm gonna try.